Yo, what's up, credit repair business owners? Today we're going to dive into the world of creating an irresistible credit repair ad. But before we get started, let's get one thing straight. What makes an ad truly profitable is not just about flashy graphics or catchy slogans or Porsches in the background. It's about sparking genuine interest and driving action. I want you to picture this. You craft an ad that not only grabs attention, but also compels viewers to click. That's the essence of a profitable credit repair ad. One that doesn't just linger in the digital void, but resonates with your audience, turning curious clicks into qualified leads. Now, here's the scoop: your ad isn't just about a sales pitch. It's about a conversation starter. It's about connecting with potential clients who are ready to take charge of their financial future. And while immediate sales are great, let's not forget about the power of lead generation, the backbone of every successful credit repair business. So how do you nail it? It's all about precision targeting, authentic messaging. Forget the one size fit all approach. Instead, you need to hone in on individuals who align with your ideal client persona by speaking directly to their needs and aspirations. You'll stand out in the sea of generic ads. So let's take it. So let's go ahead. I want you to think of it like this: you're not just selling a service, you're offering a solution. And by understanding understanding your audience inside and out, you can position yourself as the go-to expert in the credit repair game. Now, now that you understand this concept, I'm going to dive in and teach you these 5 steps to creating a profitable credit repair ad that that makes you stand out in the credit repair space. That's not only going to generate you leads, that's not only going to generate you high quality leads, but it's going to make you stand out in the credit repair space. All right, guys. So check this out. It's only 5 steps to creating a profitable credit repair ad. Step number one is you have to start. You have first things first is identifying a profitable credit repair niche to target. Okay. So I chose. So I have 5 right here that you can use: truckers, startup companies, car rentals. So for example, people that want to start a car rental business, entrepreneurs, plumbing. Okay. How did I find these niches? Well, number one is why work hard when you could work smart. All right. So if you're already using Facebook ad, you know that if you're running Facebook ads, you have to use a special ad category. When you use special ad category, meaning that you have to tell Facebook that you're a credit repair business and you're going to be advertising credit repair, it automatically limits the targeting that you can do. So we need to reverse engineer this. So if we already know that it's going to limit the targeting, what you want to do is number one, go to Facebook ads and see who you could target. For example, I know that I can go. I already put in, the special ad category. So this is who I could target: semi, trailer, trucks. So therefore, truck drivers. Now, if I know that my ads are going to reach truck drivers, we want to do a narrow audience and we're going to put Credit Karma. All right. Bam. So what this is saying is Facebook, go out, target truck drivers with less than a perfect credit score. Bam. That's an audience right there. We can do that for plumbing. We can do that for all of these. We can do this for all 5 niches. Okay. Now, why? A lot of people always ask me, well, I want to help everybody. Well, everybody doesn't have money, and if you run a business, you need to generate money. So not only that is understand that everyone's targeting everyone. You know why credit repair is so saturated? Is because everyone wants to jump in the space thinking that they can do credit repair, and they actually don't know anything about sales and marketing. So therefore, they saturate the market. And here, let me show you a prime example of what I'm talking about. When I go and look at all the ads, so this is called Facebook Ad Library. So I type in credit repair, and this is going to show me everybody that's running ads for credit repair. Now, check this out. You see how generic these ads are? Transform your credit, transform your life, ready to break free from credit woes and achieve financial success. The problem is they're attracting broke people because you're not targeting anyone with money. You're targeting everyone. And most people with bad credit probably don't have any money. So if we're going to go ahead and target people with credit repair problems, let's go ahead and target people with money with credit repair problems, if that makes sense. Not only that, is look how generic this is. People are getting these generic ads every day, and it's scammy and it's oversaturated, and it doesn't look like they specialize in anything. Understand that people pay for expertise. People don't really pay for commodities. If they pay for commodities, it's going to be cheap. For example, Walmart is cheap. You go to Walmart for low discounts. You go to Whole Foods for quality of food. You don't care how much it costs because you care more about the quality of the food and the benefits of the value of it. Okay, so you need to stop trying to compete with people and dominate the space. We don't compete, we dominate. The way to dominate is to create a niche specific credit repair offer, and that's how you do that. So that's step number one. So once you go and you figure out who you want to target, truckers, startup companies, car rental, whatever that might be, step two is you want to create a specialized credit repair offer, program, messaging. You want to make it look like your business only works with these type of people. Okay, very simple how to do this. Let's say we're targeting plumbers. We want to attract people that own plumbing businesses or want to start a plumbing business, but they got bad credit and they're probably going to need help funding their business or getting money for their business. But they have bad credit and maybe no business credit, or they want to get funding. Perfect. That's a perfect audience. So you go to ChatGPT, just type in create a list of names to call my program where I help plumbers with less than a perfect credit score fix their credit and get funding so they can get started so they can start or grow their business. It's going to come up with a whole bunch of names, 6 names. It doesn't matter which name you pick. Just pick a fucking name, okay? Pick a name, go create a logo, create a Facebook page, and everything with that name on it, okay? That's what you're going to want to do. So let's say Pipe Dream Credit Restoration and Financing Solution, or Pipeline Credit Boost Initiative. Perfect, okay? That's step number 2, all right? The messaging, very important. So you want to create an offer for your credit repair, right? So this is what you want to do on the copy. Okay, guys, then you want to go to Canva and just look up a template, and then you can create your ad right here. So I simply just put attention plumbers with less than perfect credit score. We specialize in restoring plumbers' credit. Build plumbers' business credit and secure funding to expand your plumbing business. See if you qualify. That's it. It could be any niche, and you just put it right here and just change the picture out, and that's it. Now let's go to step 3, which is you're going to just create the ad copy, or the copy, the copy, which I did right here. So here we go. Just copy and paste that. Boom. Copy. This is what you're going to put on the ad. And step 3 is you're going to just create. So step 2. So, yep. And then, boom. Bam. And then you're just going to launch either a lead generation ad campaign, or you're just going to send them to a funnel. Now, that is the 4 steps on how to create a profitable. So, them are the 4 techniques for creating a profitable credit repair ad. All right. So, the thing is, once you do this, you're going to start getting a lot of leads. The next step is understanding how to close these leads at a high ticket price point. So if you want to learn how to do that, I have a 4-day credit repair sales challenge, which is going to teach you how to create the credit repair offer like I just showed you right here, how to create a consistent client acquisition system so that you no longer have to work in your business, you're working on your business. It's going to create you your leads automatically, qualify the leads automatically, follow up with the leads automatically, and then I'm going to teach you on how to sell high ticket credit repair offer in this challenge. So basically it's taking something that I've learned in 4 years and actually created, and which helped me, grow my client, which actually helped me grow one of my clients' businesses from $20 million in less than 12 months in COVID with this same strategy that I'm going to teach you guys in 4 days. So all you have to do is join the 4-day credit repair sales challenge. It should be somewhere in the link below. And also, if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions, concerns, or comments.